Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve 3 divided 3 divided 3 divided 3. So let's solve this when an expression given same symbols, that is division, division and division, you have to simply start with left to right and take two terms at a time. So I am taking 3 divided 3, write it like this and write rest the same. Now 3 divided 3 gives 1, divided 3, divided 3. So again I'm taking two terms together. So 1 divide 3, divide 3. Now here I am going to use the KCF rule where K stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. That means keep the left hand digit, change the symbol and flip the right hand digit. So this gives us 1 by 9. So this is the correct solution of this. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.